Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, long time no see, cause yes, now already 9th grade. So here, I want to explain my code in my 6 SKL in Android. Is it Dashboard Islami Flutter project? Yeah, so this is my first Flutter project in Bitakwa. So yeah, here I will explain about how to make the file, how to make the file, and I will explain the code, and I will show you guys the application. So first, of course, you guys must open Visual Studio Code, and how to make it's you guys can. Oh, before that, don't forget to download the extension is Dart and Flutter, okay? And then you guys click search, show and run commands, and then Flutter project application. And here I already make the folder to put all of my project here. I make the folder name is Flutter project. So yeah, sorry is so many Bitakwa because I tried it last time. And yeah, just click select a folder to create project in. And you guys can give the project name here. Bitakwa application. Just up. Okay, so here you guys already in the project, and yeah, you guys can make a new file or a new folder here. Yeah, and now I'm gonna explain my code that I already make it. Sorry guys, I kinda feel I'm so yeah, here I already make the new file and the new project. Here I make the new asset, and inside of asset I make the phone, and I put all of my phone here, and I make image, and I put all of my image here. And here in the lib I make data presentation, screen, dashboard, widget, and all. Yeah, so here I will explain the code in dashboard script. Before that, I want to tell you guys that in here I made the 3 widget. It's widget header, widget card menus, and widget card inspiration. Okay, but before that, let me start the. Oh, sorry, I forget. Oh yeah, I will tell you guys how to run in the book. So first, you guys can choose your emulator. And then you guys can click here, start debugging. And then wait, it's still loading. That's fine, there's no my face, okay? Yeah, so it's still installing the output. And then we're just waiting. Okay. Ta-da! So we want to make it like this. So first, in dashboard screen, for the header is this one, okay? So yeah, here I made container inside of the header widget. I make the container, and then the height of the container is 250 pixel, and then the width is double infinity, so the image will fit the screen. Look, it's fit, right? And the height is 250. And yeah, here there's decoration, so I want to make the box is have decoration, of course. So here, yeah, I used inside of the decoration, of course, there's image, and I put my image in asset image, because as you guys know, last time I make the asset, and inside of the image inside of the asset. So here I put my PNG name or my image name, and fit with box fit cover, so it will fit the image in this emulator. And then next, there is the new child. I put a line, and the alignment is top left. So, yeah, it's column right. So yeah. So this top left is for make the rectangle. It's go to the left. And here I make the container. There's margin and padding, so the image will have a space in outside and inside. So the margin I use 12, and the padding I use 8. And the decoration for the box I use border radius. So the rectangle must be like this, right? But because I use radius, so it's like this. Yeah, you guys understand what I mean, right? So it's not really tick tick tick, but it's like that. And then the radius I use 6, and the color is white. And next, I make the new widget is text, and the text is Assalamualaikum Fulan. And then I style the text with text style, and inside of the text style there is color, and the color I use black. And for the font family or for the font, I use Poppins medium, so it's not that bold but it's not that thin. Yes, of course I already downloaded all the font. And then here I make side box, and then the height is 18. And then because I didn't use the top left or others, so it this side box in the middle. And then I make text Zuhur for this. And then of course I style the text using text style, and then I style with black color, and the font size is 16, and the font family is Poppins bold. And then I make text again inside box. I make 12.05, and then the colors is black too. The font size is 36, and the font family is Poppins bold too. And then the height is 4, so it's not that far from the Zuhur text. And then here I make again. Wait. I make row, and then there is max axis alignment center. So yeah, this all will in the center of the emulator. And then inside of the children there is icon. I use icon for this, and the color is red, and the size is 14, and the side box height is 4. And there's text again. It's Bekasi. It's for the location, our location now. And then I styled the text using text style, and the color is black, and the font family is Poppins regular. Yeah, so this is my widget header. Next, there is widget card menus. So here I made container again, and I give margin and padding again because it's really important, guys, because if it's not, it will be really so we must give it margin and padding. And then the margin and padding at 16. And then here I give the radius for the rectangle, it's 25. So yeah, this function is just give the rectangle have radius. And here for the color, I use color constraint, color primary. So guys, before I made this, I made the color constraint first. This I make static color primary. And yeah, so if we this we make the color by ourselves. We give the code, we give the how to say, yeah, we give the FFF and others inside of the static color, so we make color by ourselves. Yeah, and then here if we want to use this color, we just uh, write this in the dashboard screen, color contain, and then you guys can choose the color primary. Here I miss color primary dark, color accent, color white, and color text. And then child. This is single child scroll view. So the the rectangle can scrolling, and here scroll direction. I give the direction is horizontal, so I can scroll it like this, horizontal. Then here I make child, and inside of the child there's row, and inside of the row there's children, and there's column. So children again. There's image asset, and then oh yeah, this function is for give. This function is for put the image, and of course I write my image name here. You guys can see your name image letter. Yeah, I put so it will appear. Then I make text doa, and the style text is color family semi bold and color white. Yeah, so it's the same, guys. Actually it's the same, but I just give it with for the space. Yeah, it's just the same. So yeah, this function of the code is give a image and give the text below the image with text that we write, and then we give the text style with our text, yeah, with our style, like pop. You guys want to use pop in bold or pop in semi bold or pop in regular maybe, and the colors you guys can choose. And yeah, and then here the last widget is card inspiration, and here I make the column again, the child, and alignment. So alignment geometry it's top left, so the text will go to the top left here, as you guys can see. Let's go to top left, and here I didn't give margin and padding, so it's really close with the letter. And then I give text child text, then I write inspirasi, and the style text is font family semi bold and font size 20 inside of the text tab. And here I give side box again for make it space, then the height is 8, and I put the image here. It's use the image that I already put here. Where's this EMG inspiration PNG? So I put inside of the asset image for put the image